of these pinnacle workbenches from Bunnings. What do I think to it? Well, I'm going to tell you, but before we do that, let's jump in the van, let's go and pick it up, bring it back, put it together, and then I'll give you a review. I think it went alright. Seems pretty simple to me. Okay, let's do it. I'll go and do it.
Cool. I can't. Yeah.
Can you film me?
Good job, didn't do my shopping today.
Oh,
Because it's 2 o'clock already.
thank you. that boy. Something. My super duper Makita knife. Great this is. And unfortunately, well, I've not been through the drawers yet, but you never know, I might find some money. Okay. Yeah. Right. Okay. No money. No money in it. Okay, so after all that, what do I think to this workbench? $1,000, £500 from Bunnings Warehouse. I think it's pretty good, to be honest with you. I mean, there's a heck of a lot of space. You can get a lot in it. You've got your 1, 2, 3, 7 drawers, and then you've got your slightly fatter drawer, and you've got your fatter drawer again for tools, whatever you want. It's robust. It's got a good solid piece of wood on the top. Would have been nice a little bit wider, maybe another 6 inches would have been nice on there, to be honest with you, just to bring it out. I find that that's a bit narrow, possibly. So one day, I don't know if you can even add on there, because then you won't be going to the drawers. That's just one downside, but it's not a big deal. Wheels are great quality. You've got locks on, 2 wheels on the front there, bit of room to slide the quick jacks under. You've got 2 good handles on either side, not for lifting, only for pulling it around. I did have these on, these bars, which I had kicking around just to stop stuff slipping over the back, because that would be a real pain if that was the case. You've got a lock, which is great. One thing I do like about this is you close it, but then you just give it a push, and it's like it holds it in. So if you are moving it about, they don't just come flying open. I've got a tool chest over there, and it's a bit of a pain. You have to lock it before you move it, or else all the drawers come open. And sometimes you've got to wait in there, they come open and it can drag the bench over. So what do I think? I think it's worth it. Yeah, there's a lot of room in it. I'm probably going to get another one and extend along there. But yeah, overall review is quality is pretty good. You know, there was some bare welds on the bottom that haven't been treated or anything. So if you're in a damp area, you probably want to put a bit of paint over those, stop it rotting. No complaints. I think for $1,000, $999, it's okay. I like it. Easy to put together, as you've seen by the video. Yeah, go get one. Treat yourselves. And then on the next video, you'll see me on. I've moved all the TV from over there to over here, and I've put this up. But that'll be in future videos. So, people call Tool Trolley, Tool Chest, whatever you want to call it. Thumbs up.